Have you ever thought about how differently you would treat yourself if you were someone you were responsible for helping? Welcome, and thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration and self-discovery. Today, we're delving into the profound concept of self-responsibility and care, as inspired by the renowned psychologist Jordan Peterson's second rule. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Consider for a moment a parent's love for their child. A mother or father will go to great lengths to ensure their offspring are well-fed, well-rested, and well-prepared for the challenges of the world. They do this not out of obligation, but out of a deep-seated responsibility and love. Now imagine if we extend this level of care and responsibility towards ourselves. Let's take the example of a woman named Sarah. Sarah is a nurse, a profession that requires her to be compassionate, patient, and attentive to her patients. Yet when it comes to her own health and well-being, Sarah tends to neglect herself. She skips meals, doesn't get enough sleep, and rarely takes time out for herself. When Sarah came across Peterson's second rule, it sparked a transformation. She began to see herself as someone she was responsible for helping. She started prioritizing her health, her rest, and her happiness. She treated herself with the same compassion and patience she extended to her patients. Over time, Sarah noticed an improvement not only in her physical health, but in her mental well-being and productivity at work as well. This is the power of treating yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. It's about recognizing your worth and understanding that you deserve the same care and attention you give to others. Now consider the story of John, a high-powered executive who was always pushing himself to meet deadlines and exceed targets. He was constantly stressed and burned out. After encountering Peterson's second rule, John started to reassess his approach. He began to take breaks to allow himself time to relax and rejuvenate. He started to treat himself with the same respect and consideration he had for his team. And what he noticed was a significant improvement in his performance, his relationships, and his overall satisfaction with life. The lesson here is clear. When we treat ourselves like someone we are responsible for helping, we prioritize our needs, respect our boundaries, and acknowledge our worth. We become more resilient, more productive, and ultimately, more fulfilled. In conclusion, Jordan Peterson's second rule is a powerful reminder of the importance of self-care and self-responsibility. Whether it's Sarah, the compassionate nurse, or John, the high-powered executive, treating oneself with care and responsibility can lead to significant transformations. So as we go about our lives, let us remember to treat ourselves like someone we are responsible for helping. Let's extend the same compassion, patience, and respect to ourselves that we do to others. After all, we are worth it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you carry this message with you as you navigate your journey of self-discovery and growth.